Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial video. In this video we are going to talk about how we can use total station, how we can set the coordinates in total station, and how we can find the coordinates of unknown station using total station. Also we are covering how we can do detailing and set the height of the prism using total station. So firstly let's jump into the video. So before continuing anything in total station, we need to do the temporary adjustment of total station, which includes centering and leveling like as of Theodolite. So after all the temporary adjustment has been done, next in order to create job we need to go into menu. After creating on menu, if we are going to continue in old jobs, you can simply set your required jobs. But if you are creating new job, go to mode and click on measure 1, which is situated in right of escape, in order to create new job. So right now I'm going to create a new job, so I'm going to click on measure 1. After clicking on measure 1, so right now I'm in station 4 and I'm going to name my job as yes4. You can put on any name according to your needs. So right now I'm naming my job as yes4. So after the measurement has been done, I'll click on the reset, enter and angular to save my job. So now in order to enter the coordinates, I will be clicking on station, which is situated in number 7. So click on number 7 and right now I'm going to enter the coordinates of the station I am in. So right now I'm entering the northing, easting and RL of the coordinates I am in. So I have already calculated these coordinates before. So if you know the coordinates, you can put your N, E and J, but if you don't know the coordinates, you can simply enter 0, 0, 0. So after entering all the known coordinates X, Y and Z, which includes northing, easting and RL, I'll simply click on resend or enter. So after all this has been done, in CD you can put any remarks for your further use. Next I need to enter the height of the instrument. So right now in order to measure the height of the instrument, I need to measure the height of the instrument from my vertical circle up to the peak. So you can simply use your measuring tape. So after knowing the height of the instrument, I need to enter the height of the instrument into my total station. After measuring the height of the instrument to be equal to 1.486 meter, I'll be simply entering that data and click on resend or enter. Next I click on 1 XYZ. So now I am backsighting at station 1, so I'll be simply keeping at backsight as 1. So after putting that, I need to enter the coordinates of that station which I am backsighting at. So I've already calculated that coordinates to coordinates by using the length and the bearing. So you can simply add L cos theta and L sin theta for the northing and easting to that of known station. You can calculate the bearing using your compass, and you can calculate the length using TS or using tape as well, and you can find out the RL as well. So after calculating your northing, easting and RL, I'll be entering all those RL of that station which I am backsighting at. So right now I'm backsighting at station 1 and I've entered all the known coordinates. So using TS I can recheck these coordinates, and for in my CD I'm going to put CP, or you can put anything as your remarks. Next I have height of target. So right now I'm setting my height of target to be equal to 2 meters. So height of target is the prism which I am sighting at. So right now, so before backsighting at the station, which coordinates you need to find out, you need to save the data, save or record the data of the previous station, for which you need to click on resend or enter button. Then you can backsight at your station and calculate your coordinates. So after sight has been complete, I simply click on measure 1 and click on escape. So find out the coordinates. So as you can see here, in this way I have calculated my coordinates, and this coordinates is correct to the one I have calculated. So after all this has been done, I can continue to my detailing process. So in order to continue to my detailing process, I will escape this and continue to my detailing process. So in my detailing process I have a different height of prism. So in order to change the height of prism to 1.8, first I click on HOT, which is situated over recent button, and simply enter 1.8. For point, you can click on HOT button again. So after the height of target has been set out, I'm going to simply sight again at my target for detailing process. So wherever the details of the coordinates I need to find out, I will be simply keeping my prism over there, sight using my total station. And after the sighting has been done, I'll simply click on measure 1. I'll click on measure 1, and after clicking on measure 1, I'll get northing, easting and RL of that particular point. So in this way you can easily find out the coordinates using total station, change your height of target and create job. So if you like our content, do subscribe the channel, and if you have any queries, do comment down below. Thank you.